Welcome to Read and Learn, Day 8. Children, let's read the letter sounds. E, F, H, K, R, W. Let's repeat. Read after me. E, F, H, K, R, W. M, N, K, Z, T, V. Let's repeat, children. Read after me. M, N, K, Z, T, V. Now let's read the words. N, E, T, N, at, net, net. W, at, w, at, wet, wet. P, at, p, at, pet, pet. Net, wet, pet. B, egg, b, egg, bag, bag. K, egg, k, egg, keg, keg. P, egg, p, egg, peg, peg. Beg, keg, peg. B, ed, b, ed, bed, bed. R, ed, r, ed, red, red. F, ed, f, ed, fed, fed. Bed, red, fed. T, n, t, n, ten, ten. H, N, H, N, hen, hen. P, N, P, N, pen, pen. Ten, hen, pen. W, L, W, L, well, well. B, L, B, L, bell, bell. S, L, S, L, cell, cell. Well, bell, cell. Now let's read all the words. Bed, red, fed, pen, hen, pen. Now, children, it's your turn. Good job. Let's read more. Net, wet, pet, beg, keg, peg. Well, bell, cell. Now, children, it's your turn. Good job, children. See you in day 9.